Happy Wednesday, South Florida, the day before Christmas Eve, and boy, it's busy out there, even though there's a lot of cloud cover. But you know what? Enough sunshine to make it a beach day. Just be careful. High rip current risk is in effect. Also, it's breezy. You can tell by the way the palm trees are swaying. Here's a look at our radar and satellite. Notice that we do have plenty of cloud cover. All of this that's pushing from west to east. But it looks like we're going to see a little more sunshine, and right now we're seeing it across portions of northwest and southwest Miami-Dade. So intervals of clouds and sun is expected through the rest of today. By the way, it's around 11 a.m. in the morning. Now, on the radars you just saw, no rain to speak of, but plenty of heavy rainfall stretching from Alabama into Georgia, Atlanta. You could possibly be seeing some travel delays if you're flying into Atlanta. Even across the Carolinas with the threat of thunderstorms in the south in the mid-Mississippi Valley. And this is out ahead of that cold front that's stretching across the south. So the enhanced risk and moderate risk is right in the mid-Mississippi Valley, Tennessee Valley as well, under the enhanced portion. But this is a concern, especially because it's such a big travel week. So if you're traveling out today and even tomorrow, you may run into some travel delays due to the threat of severe weather in those parts. Now for us here at home, no threat for thunderstorms, just a 20% chance for an isolated shower. Cannot get better than that. If we're going to be warm, we might as well stay mainly dry, right? Well, today's high is getting into those low and mid 80s. It's a high of 85 degrees. And tomorrow, rain chance, even on Christmas Day, is expected to lower down to 10%. Now check out these temperatures. Tomorrow will be a very warm day for us on our Thursday with a high of 86. By the way, these temperatures are near record. Could possibly be tying records the next 3 days, so we'll have to keep an eye out on that. And temperatures in the morning starting off in the upper 70s. Yes, it's warm and muggy, but still great feeling in the air with the holidays and around the corner. So enjoy your Christmas and enjoy your holidays, and then we'll be talking about the new year in no time. All right, South Florida, have a wonderful Wednesday. Make it a great day.